Kimberly-Clark is a large corporation and we're global, and we have many businesses and regional users around the globe. And what I'm most proud of about implementing Compass Med and the Compass system is that we can really help set up a foundational product category file, source file, that can be reused throughout the globe, and where we can share lessons learned and leverage innovations by certain regions in other regions. It will help us as a company expand our design control capabilities much faster than if we were using forms like Word and Excel to manage our design documentation. And it will also help us build our capabilities in the corporation much faster, because people will have the fundamental design documentation to leverage immediately. I think there are two huge benefits of using Compass Med. The first is that the traceability within the design documentation. When you're using Excel files and Word documents, they're independent things saved, and that you don't see that the linkage is not clearly evident to the designer and the development team or the sustaining team supporting the product while on market. So having that clear linkage helps to ensure that appropriate verification and validation is completed during the design and development phase of the product. The second aspect is, once you're in production and you're sustaining the product, you will have clear understanding of the impact of a change. So if a supplier, or because of a customer complaint investigation, we need to make a design change, it's clearly outlined through the traceability in the system, the impacts of that change and what work would need to be done to implement that. One of the big impacts of using Compass Med is that from a risk analysis perspective, when you do an annual risk review, if you have identified a new or different risk that we did not originally foresee in the use of the product, you can quickly update the different documents leveraging the initial design risk analysis for the product. It doesn't sound like a big deal, but it really is, because when you're doing it in Excel files, one risk analysis review could impact an engineer to have to update 12 to 14 different documents. When using Compass Med, you can update it once and push it to the different design risk analysis for the different products that then can be quickly implemented or assessed and implemented for those products, and it makes sustaining the projects so much more efficient.